Brendan a kiss on his cheek. Come here.
No.
Oh, on his head. Come. Give him a kiss on his head. Oh. You gotta give him a kiss on his head. Okay. Gentle.
No, Aiden, slowly now.
Come on. Put it in your pocket. See, you have a pocket here? Put it in this pocket. Come on, put it here. Put it inside. Good boy. Now close it. Yes, like that. Got it? Keep it in the pocket now. Keep it in the pocket. Keep it in your pocket.
Daddy.
Okay, put it in your pocket and then you play with it. Put it in your pocket. Stand up.